3 minutes.
3 minutes left. That's not the warning sign.
Well, it's going to be a rocket up to 30 seconds in there. Yeah.
Bit far away for you, but
Don't help me from set. What's your little man? I'm
zooming in.
Glenn Wilson, they're coming to the ground. In the form of a raffle for somebody to come and press the button. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the star of today, from England, Joanna Gray, who's going to come and press the button and become a winner. Anthony Fry, wave in the sun. Please, are you ready? Are you nervous?
Oh, come on, just press it.
Alright. Here as well.
Oh my goodness, what's this in it? 1 minute. 30 seconds.
That's well obvious.
Oh, they're going to be able to hear on the cameras as wind.
That's the thing you want, yeah. Good rocket. Morning.
Blast off. You count fast.
Get in!
Yeah!
Get in!
that was closer than 5 seconds apart.
I was recording. Flipping out.
Poor Jim.
It's the Twin Towers all over again.
There we go, dust it all. Turn round. Turn your eyes.
That'll do for me.